Hey gang, turn it on while I'm sitting right here. You said it don't hurt my ears. Bro, tripping, bro. That like right. Bro, y'all boys sneaking up on me in the car while I'm sleeping? Y'all want a POV that bad, bro? Oh, boy. Let me get right, man. Hold on. We're gonna go ahead and do a day in the life for y'all boys, man. Yeah. I should probably get something to eat though, being the fact that I just woke up here, but hey, I am going to do some pulls before I eat and before I wash and before I brush my teeth. Finally. Hey, I'm about to walk across the street. Man, I do it, gang. I'm gonna get toasted. Why is there a bug flying around here, bro? Going on today, y'all boys. We in 5 o'clock traffic right now. Okay, we got a little heavy going down the street. Okay, I'm gonna go everywhere today. I'm gonna go around everywhere. Look at the view from the bridge. We don't got much of a view, but hey, gotta appreciate it when it's there. We gotta go this way. If they hurry up, then we can turn. This is typically what I do every single day. I wake up, I do a couple pulls, I wake up in random locations, I do a couple pulls, and I go home. Bro, what? This fly is flying around, bro. I guess because I slept in here all night, and the fact I had the windows down, I guess that's why it's bugs in here. Usually down this way I see, dang, that squirrel gone. I was about to say mosquito. I'm tripping. Hope you're looking, buddy. The exhaust shop is down here that I got my first muffler delete done at. What type of car is that? But my first muffler delete that I got on my Honda, I'm not sure if y'all seen that or not. Well, y'all don't know that, but I had a Honda before the other Mustang I had, and before this one. I had a Honda, and that was my first muffler delete that I ever had for this shop, but I don't think we're about to pass it right now. Little downshift right there. Right there under the bridge, you see what I'm saying? It's down that way, but y'all probably can't see it though. Is this the street? Yeah. And this is the street I took my car on when I first got the muffler delete. I really shouldn't be sleeping in random places like that, but hey. got done changing my oil recently. So we got that Motorcraft 4 oil in this thing, man, 5W20. And I got another mod on the way. It comes in Wednesday. It's a short throw shifter because I'm tired of this sloppy stock shifter that I have on. So we went short throw for the shifter. Go straight. We're gonna go straight. I got my signal from. But like you got the Draco. You got the Draco on the back. Where are we at? Where am I taking y'all to? I don't know. We about to find out. Why they driving so slow to the stop sign? Am I driving too fast? Well, they got a plant. Let me correct my words. They got a farm over here. I ain't never seen that. Not want to get canceled on the channel. I ain't even get a chance to start yet. Oh, we about to spin down here. Little pull for y'all boys, man. I thought it was gonna pop for y'all boys. Never mind. I'm also gonna get a tuner too. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I've been thinking about this for the last longest. I'm gonna get a tuner, but I don't wanna block y'all boys' faces. They're gonna smack me, man. Chill up. Make sure y'all hold on. I ain't gonna keep it there for too long. But I'm also thinking on a tuner because when I get them long two headers, I really want to get this check engine light off with the tune. Because the tune should delete the O2 sensor. Why am I going this way? I've been going different ways the whole video. We're gonna go this way with it. We're gonna go straight. Is that a 5-0? It is. I got on my car right quick. Hold on. Well, this new mod I just put on. Give me a second. You better not do it. Let me turn first. Okay, so we about to turn this way. I'm gonna show y'all boys. Yeah, I didn't put it in. It's all good though. See y'all what mods I got on here, or what new mod. I don't know why I keep saying mods. Where we gonna go? We gonna go down this way. Get a little bit of that lighting for y'all. Hold on. Got to do that little neutral wiggle. Got to. With the frame, with the tail light tint, it's kind of dirty. Let me make sure y'all can see. But yeah, it's kind of dirty. But I also repositioned my mufflers because they was like cockeyed. They was pointing side to side, but now they straighten out. But yeah, that's all I did though. That shifter is on the way for sure. That shifter is on the way for sure. I'm tired of this shifting though. That's the next mod that's coming. Go ahead though. What y'all boys think if I lower my car, get black rims, and I change up the exhaust setup for the long tools like I was telling you? What y'all think about that? Y'all think the setup is complete with that, or y'all think I'm missing something else? I think that sounds like a complete build. But you know, I'm never gonna stay satisfied with just one thing. We just gonna keep switching stuff out. I might go boosted. You never know. My mind changes a lot. I need some food, man. I woke up and I didn't get no food, but I chose to do a pull for y'all because y'all snuck in my car looking at me. So while they out there chilling, I'm out here working. You see what I'm saying? Even though I ain't getting no money from this, but you know what I'm saying? I'm getting y'all attention from this. Y'all paying me with y'all attention. Bro, is there a tractor on the street? Oh my, bro. Bro got a whole tractor on the street driving it like it's a car, gang. Where are we at? Like, where are we right now? Go chill up, POV though. You better not pull up. Made you look. That boy going stupid. It is so hot. But I gotta record with the windows down so y'all boys can hear though. You know what I'm saying? I gotta compensate for y'all. But anyways, man, hope y'all boys enjoy this video, little short little POV video, life, day in the life. Yeah, this is really a day in the life. All I do is wake up out of random places and do pulls and brush my teeth. And when I get home, it'll be probably hours from now. But yeah, man, make sure y'all boys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. And I promise I am.